Plastic is the most versatile man-made creation known to our planet. However, plastic waste is choking our planet. It is tearing apart the very fabric of life by polluting the water, soil, and the air we all need to survive. Approximately 12.7 million tons of plastic enter the ocean every year. Over 800 species are negatively impacted by plastic waste. But we are only just starting to understand the effects of plastic on our ecosystems. The packaging industry is the main user of plastic, accounting for 36% of global plastic demand. And Malaysia has one of the highest per capita plastic packaging consumption at 16.78 kilograms. Our current processors are not equipped to handle the immense volume of plastic packing entering our systems. So, what can we do? We need to reimagine how we source, design, dispose of, and reuse the plastic we all depend on. And that's just what WWF's No Plastic in Nature by 2030 vision aims to do by, firstly, addressing the source and eliminating unnecessary plastic. Secondly, developing action plans to double plastic recovery. Thirdly, shifting to sustainable alternate sources of plastic. However, we can't do this alone. We need the combined efforts of governments, businesses, and the public to intervene and identify areas for improvement. WWF Malaysia is engaging the government and industry stakeholders to advocate for better policies to combat plastic pollution, such as eliminating unnecessary and problematic single-use plastics, introducing mandatory Extended Producer Responsibility (EPR) for packaging waste, and supporting the Global Plastics Treaty. And we need companies, brand owners, and retailers to take the lead to transition towards a circular economy. Find out how you can start your circular economy journey. Contact us now.